What's up guys, it's me Chantal and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair video. I'm going to be doing my hair. I just washed it and I decided that I wanted to do some twists, so I'm going to be sharing that with you in this video today. They're kind of like mini twists, but not like super mini twists. Before we get started, I just want to ask you one favor. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really love it if you did. It would mean so much to me. Thank you if you're already subscribed. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, let's jump right into the video so you guys can see how I twist my hair. As you can see, I have a lot of shrinkage right now and I'm going to be dealing with that the entire time. So let's just jump right in. I'm only using two products to style my hair. I'm using a leave-in conditioner and I'm also using sweet almond oil. Just trying to keep it really simple so that I can make this process go along smoothly and quickly. And I'm kind of lazy. I haven't really been using a lot of products on my hair these days. Yeah, and I'm not gonna part my hair either, so like extra lazy. And I kind of just like how my twists look when I don't part it. I find that they just kind of fall a little bit more nicely and you can't see as much of my scalp that way. It just makes it feel a little bit more full. I guess it gives the illusion that it's more full when you can't see the parts. One of the most important things that I've learned in twisting your hair is that you want to make sure you're smoothing the edges out. You want to make sure you're smoothing your ends as you go so that you're not getting any knots and tangles. That's really, really important. And you're keeping a consistent tension so that your twist can be consistent. And if you want to have loose twists, then you should use a loose tension. But if you want your twist to look a little bit more tight, then you want to use a tighter tension. So just really simple things that I learned over the years of twisting my hair a lot. I do have a lot of shrinkage and it's completely normal. I don't really mind it. So if you're someone who has a lot of shrinkage, I encourage you to embrace it and just love it and try to get used to it. So I'm done that section of my hair. I'm probably not even halfway done at this point. This did take me a couple of hours because I did wash my hair that day, plus I took out all this time to do these twists, so it was definitely a little bit time consuming this time around, but what are you gonna do? That's just how hair is sometimes. So smoothing out my ends here, just checking for any knots, and also being weird with how much shrinkage I have. I just can't, like, how? I don't understand. So anyways, back to hair. Yeah, so I'm just using that leave-in conditioner from Flora and Curl, as you saw just now, and trying to distribute it evenly down the length of the section of hair and sealing my hair with some almond oil now. I really like almond oil. It's probably my favorite oil to use in my hair. I've used quite a few oils over the years, but I always seem to go back to that one because it's really nice. And we're getting there. We are getting there. I would say this is like over halfway now. And I'm like kind of over it, but I'm gonna keep going because I can't leave my hair out like that. So I'm just gonna keep going. And just making sure that I'm keeping it moisturized as I go. You want to add moisture as you go, add water if you need to, because my hair did dry out a little bit as I was doing these twists, and so I did have to go in with some water a couple of times. So we're getting there. Look at this progress. Yes, I'm so happy. At this point I was like, ugh. You know when you're getting your hair done and you're just like trying to feel how much is left and you realize that it's just like a handful of hair left and you're just so excited. I was so excited. So excited. I also try to, when I'm twisting my hair, if I want it to fall in a certain direction, I will twist in that direction. So for these pieces, I wanted them to fall downwards towards my face. So I tried to twist them in that direction, and I made my kind of like finger parts go in that same direction as well. So you can really customize how your hair falls. If you prefer one side of your face over the other to be covered by hair, just kind of play around with it. I definitely really like when my hair falls like this. And I'm completely done. I was so happy at this point. I was kind of over it, kind of tired, but deep down I was like so happy and excited. I love how much spring my hair has. Like, look at that. How is it even possible? I don't know. It's just magical. I love it. And yeah, I'm really happy that these twists are finally done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not really a tutorial, but I just wanted to show you parts of the process that I do when I'm twisting my hair. And yeah, I hope this is useful for you and you can take something away from this video, even if it's just some inspiration to try something different. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you again for watching. See you in the next video.